Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm gonna do a little bit of review. Today's video is going to be a review video, and the product which I've chosen is the product I love actually, and that's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Promade, which comes in this packet in this like black cotton, and it's like this from the inside. I'm really excited to do this video because this video has been requested by one of my subscribers. I'm going to discuss with you that how this Dipbrow Promade looks on the brows, and you can already see this that I have applied this brow and I actually use it. It's actually a love product. I won't say that this is like this type of product. This is actually a love product. I have ordered it like 6 months back. Ever since I'm using this product, just jump into this tutorial and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe button would be there, and press that notification bell so that you will be notified every single time I post a video. And I will meet you in my next video, and let's get into the tutorial or the review section. So first things first, I'm gonna first tell you about the price and how I got the product. So this product was like priced at like 2000 Indian rupees, and I got this from this website called Beauty Bay. So the Beauty Bay website is the website which stocks all of the makeup, and I have told in detail about this website in my video, in one of my videos. The link would be there. Just click that link and you would be like directed to that video and see that video and how I ordered everything about the Beauty Bay website. If you are curious to know about some foreign website also, then everything about this is in that video only, so click the link. So another thing I'm gonna just add here, that you guys seem to like the Beauty Bay website review that I on my channel. It's like the most liked video. You guys have been asking me questions on it. You guys have been asking me many things about the website. So I am thinking of doing like ordering from another website and give you my mini reviews about all the websites, because there are many websites like Colourpop, BH Cosmetics, Ofra Cosmetics. Like there are many now that are like dealing with the web pages only. So I'm thinking of doing one like ordering video, so from some website. So it's just tell me in the comment section which website do you want to order from, and you want me to review them. I will gladly do that. Okay, so next thing, let's do the main part of the video. Next comes the packaging of the product. The product comes in this black packet, black carton. This is such a small black carton. The product is protected. So on the on the like front side of the product, the logo is written of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the name of the product is mentioned, and the net weight, which is like 4.0 gram and 0.14 ounces, that has been mentioned. On the back there are like ingredient mentioned, and the strange thing is that like for 4 colors, there are like group of 4 colors, they have different ingredients. Might be the colors which would be different. So on the side it's been written something which I don't understand because there's no English here. So on this side they have written that this matte powder to fill and to texturize. So that is the instructions, or that's what on the cover itself. So when I open the product, let me just open the product. Also the name has been, the product color has been mentioned with a little bit of their shade. It's on this side of the lid which opens. So throwing that and picking that. So this is how the packaging looks like. This reminds me of the Maybelline packaging. When Maybelline introduced its gel eyeliner, the packaging was similar. It was the actual Maybelline pot was a little bit smaller, but this one is a little bit bigger. It's like a heavy pot, and it's like so steady. It opens with this twist, and you can see a lot of product. It's like a love product. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has the Anastasia logo, color, and some information over here, and Anastasia with like little bit of engraving is written on this side of the jar. So the pot is heavy, and it seems to be a good quality of plastic, or somewhat low quality of glass. So I am telling you about the packaging in detail because one of my subscriber, I guess, got a fake product. So that is why I'm telling this, that this how this packaging looks like, so that you don't get a fake product or don't get a wrong product. Or if you have a fake product, then you know that your product is a fake product. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna open it. So it opens with a twist, simple as that. So the packaging is like very travel friendly. You can throw it in your bag and you're good to go if you are a brow person. For me, I am like a natural eyebrow person. I'm not like, I don't go for like heavy eyebrows like Instagram eyebrows. That's not like my thing. I goes like lightly on my brows. I just fill them in with small quantity of product, and mine lasted for more than 6 months. You can see that video when I ordered this, and it's still the same product which I have. This like 4 grams is too much. I think it's gonna last me for a lifetime. Okay, expiry date, you just get aside. When I open it, this is first I noticed the color, which is the ash brown color, and then second thing which I noticed in this product is that it is super matte. So that has been mentioned on the lid, on this carton also, that this is waterproof and matte promade. So this is really matte. It is not a greasy formula. It is actually a very matte product, and this is how it looks like. Obviously companies don't want you to put some glitters or some creasiness on your eyebrows, that because the greasy products, they like go in some seconds. I know that when I wear greasy foundations or like dewy foundations, they are like all over the place. I'm using my phone, they are on my phone. I'm like putting, because I put on masks also, so when I'm putting on some masks, they are all on my mask, so they have like high shifting tendency. So greasy products are like, they should not be the makeup products. Also, I want to mention here that this brow doesn't come with any of the brushes, so you have to buy another brush, which is this point for me. But dude, I'm gonna mention some things which would like totally ignore this point. So this brow, the texture is really soft and creamy. I'm just gonna tell you, when I don't know you can see it or not, but when I manipulate the product, then you'll come to know that this product is super creamy, soft and buttery in consistency. So I'll just show you how it looks like on my hand. Yes, this product has this much. Okay, the product is like, can I see you? Yeah. So this is my BH Cosmetics brush, and I also made a video on the whole brush set, so you can see that video. And yes, you can see the pigmentation first. Look at the pigmentation. This is such a bomb-ass pigmentation. The pigment wise, this is such a pretty product. So this is how the pigmentation looks, matte, and it's such a non-budging type of formula. It's like you can manipulate the product when you like use it for the first time, and when you apply it like in the initial 5 to 10 seconds. Don't let it set, because when this product sets, it like sets. It is the product which when sets, it's like a matte liquid lipstick, which when sets, it sets. You cannot do anything. So this is how the texture feels like, super smooth but inconsistency, non-greasy. These are the words which, and the product is manipulative in first some seconds, you can say. It's after that it's not that manipulative. So just take your first 10-15 seconds to blend the product and you're good to go. And with this product, company also claims it to be waterproof. That's the only point which is my concern. And I mean, they're like curls. These are the natural curls. You can see I'm easily distracted. So company also claims it to be a waterproof product, but it's not totally waterproof. It's semi-waterproof. So by waterproof, they actually mean when you get sweat, then it won't budge. But if you actually dip in water, or actually you're going to swim and you think that this product's not going to move, I don't think so that's gonna happen, because when I take a bath, it's like all gone. Because when I go to gym, then I actually leave this brow product, and I don't know why I always do this. While going to gym, I take off all my makeup, but I don't take it off. So but when I go to shower, then it's all gone for good. So that's like me. So the product does not melt, but definitely product is not waterproof. How to use this product? I will highly recommend you to take smaller increments, so that you won't get like too darker with your brows, or you won't be like overloaded with your product. You can, you know, increase, or you can always add on, but you cannot obviously subtract some product out of your brows. That will actually ruin your makeup day actually, because whenever I have to subtract or I have to take something out of the makeup, that's actually a thing to do. I cannot do that actually. My recommendations are use it with a spoolie, like this. Anastasia has this brow base also which comes with a spoolie. You can use this spoolie, or you can have the spoolie brushes and use small strokes. Use it in like small strokes. Don't give like long don't give long strokes. Don't rub it so that it doesn't budge. And if possible, use it with this type of brush, an angled brush. I have two recommendations for this angled brush. One is my BH Cosmetic brush, which I reviewed. This is such a good brush for like brow pomade application. This is how the product looks like. I hope you can see this. If not, then I'm going to show you to use like this. This has somewhat thicker hair, but the brush, there is another brush which is Sigma E06. I guess this is a wing liner brush, but this brush also works beautiful if you want to do the front portion of your eyes. When in hurry, I just use this brush, but when I just want groomed or heavy or like thick brows, I use this in the front so that I get all the effect I want. So if you would ask me that what I think about the product, so I would think it's overall a very good product. If you are into brow game, that this is such a great product. But 2 points where this product lacks, actually it's super pricey in India. Actually it's pricey. They lack a brush or a spoolie, which is also not acceptable at this price. So that's also one of the cons which I found. And third, that's not a waterproof formula, honey. That is not a waterproof formula. Okay, so now I just wanted to show you also that how I do my brows, because I've never shown on the camera. I just fill in the brows. So I'm just gonna zoom in a bit, and I'm gonna tell you that how I do my brows. Also, if you want to see this makeup look, then comment down, and if you want to see something else, comment down and let me know how you find this review. Also comment down for everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me a comment that what should I do next. See how pigmented it is, and now you cannot move it. Now it won't budge. When in dry state, it won't budge. See, this is how great the product is. So now we're gonna move on to the brows grooming and shipping.
Start with this brush.
Let's go in there.
I took a little bit of product and I'll start like filling it up from the inner portion and from the lower edge of the brow, and I'm gonna just give my brow a bow shape, and I will make sure that most of the product is first concentrated in the middle area, but here I'm gonna first shape the brow from the like inner portion of the brow. And now I'm gonna move forward. I'm gonna give small strokes. I'm not gonna like make larger strokes. So now I'm going to move forward to the tail, and I'll make sure that the product is dispersed properly. So I'm going to take this Anastasia Spoolie spoolie, and I'm going to brush them, and now again I'm going to fill them so that the product and the brow, they just look one. Now I'm going to take the brush and give some like smaller increment of product on the upper portion of the brow so that the tail is not like too thin. Looks good. You can see the difference between the both eyes. Now I'm gonna start from the center portion. So whenever you start like making your brow, you have to start from the inner corner of the eye. You have to take your brush like this, and you will start filling up the brows like what I was doing before from this portion, and the portion which is left, you will give like hair-like strokes in this like front portion, which start like behind the which start before your eye, like inner corner of eye. And I'm gonna take this smaller Sigma brush to fill my brows in this area. I'm gonna give these small movements, and I'm going to fill this portion of the brow.
I always feel like leaving this portion like this only, because that way I feel like this is a natural that's a natural shape. I know that's not, but I feel like this gives you, if you leave some sparse hair from the inner side of your brow, it's always like people will feel like this is their natural brows, because even I have felt it like once or twice that this is their natural brows when they are not. When I asked, they're like, no, I have like felt it. I'm like, oh no, you're making me fool. No, I don't like to be fooled in makeup. So see how well groomed and is the texture. Now when if I scrub or rub with a light hand, then it's not gonna move. But if I'm gonna give you too damn pressure, then obviously it's gonna budge. Anything can budge then. So this is how the product feels or filled my brows. So you can see how uplifted this brow looks like. And this is, oh my god, I should keep my face like this only. So how do you feel about it? I feel like there are some strokes should be given over here, and always take some products out here, so that because if you open this thing for a long time, this will get harder, and then it's gonna be of no use. Actually then it's not worth using. So always close the lid by twisting. So I'm gonna fill this part. Always keep in mind that you are working on both the ends. You are working from the lower and the upper ends and the upper side of the brow, so that you're getting a proper shape. And the highest point, I'm gonna just tell you, the highest point of your brow should be from the middle of your from the L of your nose to the middle of your pupil to this. This is where your highest point of your brow should go. But you can do anything you want to do, because this is just makeup. This is not such a hard guideline that you have to follow. You can do wonders with what you know of it. So yes, this is how I do my brows.